Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to zoom in CapCut. And this is quite simple. First we need to find a project where we want to zoom in, and I found a project just right here. Then we tap on the video, and right now, if you can see, our video has the normal size. And if we put 2 fingers on this screen and we zoom in with our fingers, you can see that you can zoom this one in. And if you play it right now, you see that we just zoomed in this video. Alright, then the next thing that you need or can do is make this one the normal size, and then click on add keyframe. Now right now it has the normal size, and if you go further and you click here on keyframe again and you zoom in on the piece of this video, you see that we just created a zoom in effect in CapCut by adding keyframes to this video. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.